Hi, I'm Basil and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do flood. So I've got my flood, I've got some spare nozzles, I've got my pointy stick for popping bubbles, some tissue, biscuits outlined of course, and some sprinkles of your choice. So the flood in these bottles is going to be the consistency of custard. That's the 4 to 5 second rule. And to learn more about that, you'll want to watch our royal icing video. So if the icing is too runny, the colours might bleed into each other if you're flooding with more than one colour. If your icing is too thick, the result is going to be quite bumpy, which we don't want. The whole point of flooding is that you create a lovely smooth surface to detail on. So I'm just going to go around the edge of the biscuits. And then work your way in like you're colouring a picture. Then if there's any bubbles, you can use the side of the stick to pop them or the sharp end of the stick. So now we're going to ice line on flood. So you can create nice sharp lines by using line icing on flood. So now we're going to ice flood on flood. I'm going to grab my second colour. So I'm just going to create some lovely polka dots. So now we're going to do some more flood on flood, but we're going to be using the feathering technique. So with your flood icing in the alternate colour, we're going to create 3 stripes across your jumper. And with your pointy stick and some tissue, making sure the end is clean, just want to drag down. So every time you pop it in the icing, just make sure you're wiping the end. You can go different directions to create a beautiful feathering technique. And so to create a heart, you want to do some dots like we did earlier. And then all you're doing is dragging down the middle. So with this one, you're going to make a circle using another colour. And I'm going to pop a different colour in the middle. So it's the same technique as we did earlier with the stripes and running the stick through, except this time we're just going to drag in different directions. So I'm just dotting some colours in, and I'm going to create a Christmas wreath. Just by swirling your stick round. So now I'm going to show you the sprinkle technique. So once you're happy with your flooded designs, it's time for them to dry. Make sure they are fully dry before adding on any details. The best way to dry them is to pop them in an oven for about 30 minutes at about 50 degrees Celsius. There you go, that was our flooding tutorial. Follow our YouTube channel for more Biscuiteers secret tips.